का नाम है रिटेल मैनेजमेंट। हेडिंग डालिए इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ रिटेलिंग। इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ रिटेलिंग, ठीक है। नीचे लिखिए डेफिनेशन। डेफिनेशन ऑफ रिटेलिंग।
According to economics discussion, retail is defined as a set of activities or steps you
उसमें लिखिए बेटा, रिटेलिंग इज डिफाइंड एज retailing is defined as retailing is defined as retailing is defined as a set of activities, a set of activities or steps used or steps used or steps used to sell a product, to sell a product or a services to or a services to or a services to consumers for their personal consumer for their personal consumer for their personal or family use or family use. Full stop. A common perception is that a common perception is that a common perception is that retailing involves only the sale retailing involves only the sale of a product in store of a product in store. Retailing is the selling of retailing is the selling of merchandise and certain services merchandise and certain services to consumers. Certain services to consumer. Full stop. It ordinarily involves It ordinarily involves the selling of individual units, the selling of individual unit or small lots to a large number of customers. A large number of customers. By a business set up for that specific purpose. पैरा करके नेक्स्ट लाइन में लिखिए स्टोर रिटेलिंग
बाय अ बिजनेस के बाद
by a business set up for that specific purpose. Set up for that specific purpose. नीचे के लाइन में पैरा करके लिखिए नीचे के लाइन में पैरा करके लिखिए स्टोर रिटेलिंग दिस includes different types of retail stores, like department store, comma, specialty store, comma, supermarket, comma, convenience store, comma, catalog showrooms, comma, drug stores, comma, superstores, comma, discount stores, comma, extreme value store, full stop.
सर ड्रग स्टोर के बाद क्या है
सुपर स्टोर, comma, discount stores, comma, extreme value store, full stop. Extreme value store, full stop. When a retailer deals with services, comma, the process is called service retailing. The process is called service retailing. Then heading डालिए बेटा. Then heading डालिए. Importance of retail marketing. Importance of retail marketing. Importance of retail marketing.
According to smallbusiness.com, Houston Chronicle.
पहला पॉइंट लिखिए बेटा, पावर ऑफ रिटेल ब्रांड्स. पहला पॉइंट लिखिए, पावर ऑफ रिटेल ब्रांड्स. कॉमा करिए, पावर ऑफ रिटेलर्स. उसमें लिखिए, business can think of retailers as a license. Businesses can think about retailer. Businesses can think about retailer as a license. As a license. Comma, according to fedup.com. fedup.com. स्पेलिंग लिखे, FEEDOUGH.com. According to feedup.com. According to feedup.com. Retail store have a brand. Retail store have a brand. Retail store have a brand. That means something to consumer. That means something to consumer. That means something to consumer. Comma, and linking your product right, linking your product, right, retail brands. Right, retail brand. फर्स्ट लिखिए, सेकंड लिखिए, कैप्चरिंग कस्टमर्स अटेंशन for the first time. For the first time. For the first time. उसमें लिखिए the first step in marketing. The first step in marketing is capturing your target audience. The first step of marketing is capturing our target audience. Attention, audience's attention. Where they already are in
Capturing our
audience's attention. Where they already are in order, when they are already in order, to bring them into your reach.
सर थोड़े स्लो बताइए ना. When they are,
क्या?
थोड़ा स्लो बताइए ना.
हाँ हाँ, कहाँ तक लिखा?
When they are
When they are already are in order to bring them into your reach. Into your reach. थर्ड पॉइंट लिखिए, मार्केटिंग टू एन एंगेज ऑडियंस. Marketing to an engaged audience. Marketing to an engaged audience. उसमें लिखिए, a potential customer visit your shop frequently. If potential customer visits your shop frequently enough, comma, the odds are that he will eventually purchase. Customers in order to create a welcoming in person customer, a welcoming in person in person. Customer experience. अभी हेडिंग डालिए फीचर्स ऑफ रिटेलिंग. लिखिए बेटा उसमें फीचर्स ऑफ रिटेलिंग में फर्स्ट फीचर लिखिए. स्मॉल quantities. स्मॉल क्वांटिटीज. उसमें लिखिए retailers buy and sell goods in a small quantity. Sell goods in a small quantity. Sell goods in a small quantity. Second point लिखिए sell to ultimate consumer. छोटे छोटे पॉइंट है. Sell to ultimate consumer. उसमें लिखिए retailers sell goods ultimately to final consumer. Third point लिखिए varieties of goods. Variety of goods. उसमें लिखिए a retailer can sell a retailer can sell various necessary goods to consumers.
सर
हाँ,
ए रिटेलर कैंसल के बाद क्या है?
a retailer can sell various necessary goods to final consumer. फोर्थ पॉइंट लिखिए पर्सनल कॉन्टैक्ट. फोर्थ पॉइंट लिखिए पर्सनल कॉन्टैक्ट. उसमें लिखिए बेटा a retailer establish direct and personal contact with customer. Full stop. 5th पॉइंट लिखे शॉप डिस्प्ले, शॉप डिस्प्ले. Retailer decorate, retailer decorate. And display, display to attract, to attract. Final consumer. Sixth point लिखे last link. Sixth point लिखे last link. Retailers work as the retailers work as the link of distribution channel. Link of distribution channel. उसके बाद हेडिंग डालिए बेटा, फैक्टर इन्फ्लुएंसिंग रिटेल मैनेजमेंट. Factor influencing retail management. Factor influencing retail management. उसमें फर्स्ट लिखो ग्रोथ ऑफ मिडिल क्लास कंज्यूमर्स. Growth of middle class consumer. In India, the middle class customer, the middle class customers is growing rapidly. Is growing rapidly. With rising consumer demand, with rising consumer demand, with rising consumer demand, and greater disposable income, and greater disposable income, has given opportunity of retail industry to grow and prosper. To grow, prosper. Second number, increase in the number of working women. Increase in the number of working women. उसमें लिखो today the urban women are today the urban women are today the urban women are literate and qualified. Literate and qualified. Comma. They have to maintain a balance between. They have to maintain balance between they have to maintain balance between home and work. Home and work. Full stop. The purchasing habit of the working woman. The purchasing habit of the working woman is different from the homemaker. Is a different from homemaker. नेक्स्ट लिखिए emerging rural market. Emerging rural market.
सर डिफरेंट फ्रॉम के बाद
क्या बोला?
डिफरेंट फ्रॉम के बाद
Different from के बाद from the homemaker. From the homemaker. Next point है emerging rural market. Next problem है emerging rural market. Emerging rural market. Today, the rural market in India. Today, the rural market in India today the rural market in India has facing steep competition in retail sector also. In retail sector also. Full stop. The rural market in India. The rural market in India is fast emerging. Is fast emerging as the rural consumer are becoming quality conscious. Quality conscious. Next point लिखिए entry of corporate sector. Entry of corporate sector. इसमें लिखो लार्ज बिजनेस टाइकून सच एज large business tycoons such as large business tycoons such as large business tycoons such as Tata's, Tata's, Birla's, Birla's, Reliance, Reliance have entered in the retail sector. Have entered in a retail sector. Full stop. They are in a position to they are in a position to provide quality product and entertainment नेक्स्ट पॉइंट लिखिए नेक्स्ट पॉइंट लिखिए एंट्री ऑफ फॉरेन रिटेलर्स entry of foreign retailers entry of foreign retailers Indian retail sector is catching Indian retail sector is catching Indian retail sector is catching the interest of foreign retailers the interest of foreign retailers the interest of foreign retailers full stop due to liberalization multilarization have entered out country through joint ventures and franchising नेक्स्ट पॉइंट लिखिए टेक्नोलॉजिकल इम्पैक्ट उसमें लिखिए टेक्नोलॉजी इज
सर जॉइंट वेंचर के बाद क्या बोले आपने?
एंड फ्रेंचाइजिंग
स्पेलिंग
And-
बताना।
CHISING. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट लिखिए टेक्नोलॉजिकल इम्पैक्ट. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट लिखिए टेक्नोलॉजिकल इम्पैक्ट. टेक्नोलॉजिकल इम्पैक्ट उसमें लिखे टेक्नोलॉजी इज वन ऑफ द डायनामिक. टेक्नोलॉजी इज वन ऑफ द डायनामिक technology is one of the dynamic. Technology is one of the dynamic factors responsible for the growth of organized retailing. The growth of organized retailing. The growth of organized retailing. Full stop. Introduction of computerization. Introduction of computerization comma electronic media comma electronic media and marketing information system and marketing information system have changed the face of retailing. Have changed the face of have changed the face of retailing. ठीक है. बेटा ठीक है.
हाँ सर.
सब लिख लिया बराबर.
हाँ सर.
हाँ सर.
बेटा रीना अब तक आपने वीडियो नहीं भेजा. क्यों?
सर थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम है.
कोई बात नहीं. ठीक है बेटा. आओ 5 बजे.
हाँ सर.